Hi! I'm Natalie.
I'm Tara.
And this is Natalie and Tara Try Stuff. Yay! Okay, so we've gotten a lot of suggestions to do another 18th century or another Townsend video.
Our Townsend Friends, you are very active.
Yeah, since we did our pudding and we had tried the mushroom ketchup. And I recently found a recipe for another kind of ketchup in this thing called Grandma Grace's Southern Favorite. It's 19th century recipes translated so you can do them today. I found a grape ketchup in it. Now we had done the mushroom ketchup and we freaking loved it.
It's so good.
And I found there's like 3 different ketchup recipes in here, a grape, and then there's another one, and then I went on this like down the rabbit hole of ketchup and have done all this ketchup research, and I know more about ketchup in the history of it than I should ever know. So today we're gonna try out 3 different ketchup related recipes.
Historical ketchup?
Historical ketchups? Question mark?
Does it ketchup?
Yeah, and then we're gonna take all 3 of them. We're gonna do a little tasty test at the end, but we'll get to that later. First, let's do the first recipe. Okay, so the first one we're making is grape ketchup. 2 pounds of grapes. Winchester, come on. No.
If you hear weird sounds today, we're having Winchester issues.
Winchester doesn't want to be on camera. He's camera shy, and yet he wants to make all the noise. We're gonna boil this for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we had to mash them up. Okay, so we boiled these for 15 minutes, then Winchester, shut the up. Lay down. We're supposed to smash them and then strain them. So now we're in the smashing portion of the production. Winchester! Oh my god, I'm gonna murder that freaking...
Oh,
No.
Yeah.
You're such a jackass. We have polar opposite cats. Tara's cat will not come anywhere near us when I'm there. It is quiet as a mouse. Winchester, on the other hand, wants to be in the middle of all the action. This is not hot at all.
No? It's burning your hand. You're dying. Never mind. I feel like this moment is brought to you by Townsend. Like we wouldn't have thought to do this if it weren't for our amazing mushroom ketchup experience.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, John.
2 cups of sugar.
2 cups of sugar. Cup of vinegar.
Cloves. We're gonna mix this together, and then we have to bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for 20 minutes.
Natalie?
Yeah.
You know how we have that new fancy mic?
Oh, the voiceover machine.
Yeah, the voiceover machine. The thing is, turns out there's a setting on it that basically doesn't record.
Wait a minute. Are we not recording right now?
No, we're recording. It's recording. It's just that it didn't record then for a while, like the whole rest of the video.
So can we not launch the video?
Yeah, we can launch it. No, we can launch it. It's just that the sound is pretty bad.
Well, it's okay. We have a very forgiving audience. We make mistakes all the time. Let's just try to be more professional from here on out.
About that, you're going to be very upset when you see that your zipper's down for like a big chunk of the video.
No!
Yes.
Oh, God, that's so embarrassing, Tara!
Okay, let's just move on.
But in my research, I found a beer ketchup recipe from that Hannah Glass cookbook that Townsend always references. So we're gonna make that recipe because now we've moved from the 19th century into the 18th century. We're going back in time. So what we need for this is stale beer, 1 cup of anchovies, minced shallot, 4 ounces of cut mushrooms as well.
Shallot mushrooms.
Brown mace. Okay, so we let this reduce to half. In the Hannah Glass art of cookery, evidently this one was called Ship Captain's sauce, or Ship Captain's ketchup. So
Captains like anchovies a lot.
let's twist that here. Twist. I read something about like it was able to travel across the ocean.
Yeah, that does make sense.
Are you okay?
I just don't like the smell. Ooh, my dad's a pirate. You think he'd like this? He's not an actual pirate. He's a pretend pirate. Like a pirate in a lake. It's not a real pirate, but he has a pirate ship.
Like a pirate in a lake.
He has a pirate ship. It's so cool.
We're gonna set this one aside, let it cool so that we can jar it, and then we're gonna move on.
Next thing.
I did a lot of research on ketchup, and Townsend had told us originally it's I'm gonna say ketchup. I have no idea how you would say it, but it is a fish sauce. Couldn't find a single fish sauce recipe that didn't call for fish sauce. What I finally found was a reference to garum, which I had never heard of.
And I am so excited about because I watched this show called Supersizers Go. If you haven't seen it, you must watch it. These people go back in time for a week food-wise, and in the ancient Rome one, they eat garum, which is like the ancient Roman ketchup, basically. They put it on everything.
I found a recipe for garum. Now, garum was, now that I know this, is from the 1st century AD. I found a recipe on ancientworldalive.com that is what they call a 10th century quick recipe. So we're doing that because we're not going to let fish guts sit around for a couple days. We need 3 cups of water, and we're going to dissolve 2 cups of sea salt in it. So we're going to mix and dissolve this on a low heat. Okay, so we have dissolved we made salt water. We took sea salt and water and we dissolved it. And I'm gonna put some fish in it. 7 ounces of sardines. Let this simmer for 40 minutes. So
more of that good fishy smell in the house.
See you in a little bit. It's now just looks like salt and fish. Crush and spoon.
Crush and spoon.
You hear that? The salt. 2 tablespoons of oregano.
Okay.
Winchester. 2 tablespoons of sapa. Now, sapa is grape juice reduced, and that's one of those things like just like rendering the suet. I could have done this and done a whole nother video on it, but I decided not to. I'm just gonna buy some. Oh, it smells terrible.
It does smell really bad.
We're going to now add this. We're gonna stir it, and we're gonna let it back on the heat for 5 minutes. I think I ruined my pot. Okay, so we're going to strain this. Hardly anything.
Hardly.
There's so little of this. Okay. So we now have all of our sauces made. This one still needs to cool. But what are we gonna test these on? I mean, none of these say what you're supposed to use them for.
No, there's no example like, hey, put this on this.
No, actually this one, the only thing I could ever find was in cooking for fish sauce, but that's not ketchup. So what we're gonna do is kind of a does it ketchup. What do you put ketchup on? Fries? Burgers? Eggs?
Welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you?
Thank you.
How you doing?
You too. You didn't ask me if I need ketchup.
Well, you don't.
Damn it.
Now we're ready to play Does It Ketchup? So we've got the grape ketchup, beer ketchup, this is fish sauce, and this is ketchup.
It's so thick.
That's like a jelly.
Yeah, like a really deep flavored jelly.
Yeah.
It's good.
I like it.
It's good. I like that.
I can stand that.
Actually, that's okay.
Ooh,
That's a weird
ooh,
after.
ooh, it chases you. It's not an aftertaste. It's just really salty.
That's just salt.
It's like soy sauce.
Oh yeah, it is like soy sauce.
It's like soy sauce. And then I know what ketchup tastes like. Test. We're gonna do it once with fries.
Okay.
Winchester, get out of here.
Go away.
Go away.
Go away.
I could eat that.
Actually, that's pretty good, right?
I want to have another one actually.
I'm alright with that.
Just mix it around in there. At first, yeah. I'm good with that. It doesn't have the same aftertaste because of all its salt. So good.
You can't even get in there.
Oh my god. It's just salt. Okay.
I'm gonna chase it with regular ketchup. I'm just gonna clean
I don't know why I put
I'm
the
gonna
ketchup
clean
on.
my palate with ketchup.
The burgers. I'm not mad at it. I've never thought about putting jelly on my
Actually, yeah. Good.
beer ketchup.
So fair.
But now it's just gonna stick to my bun. There's gonna be a lot of it now. That was a bad idea. That was a terrible idea. This is your fault. This is your fault.
This is so bad. This is so bad.
Oh, God. Mother Pearl, don't do that.
Whoa!
Okay, the next one I'm not dipping.
Whoa, that was bad.
That's just the saltiest burger you've
So
ever had.
salty.
I don't like it.
Okay.
This is gonna get worse, Tara,
This
because
is, oh, I
Tara puts ketchup on her eggs.
They said on the show that you would use the Roman
The garum,
one.
yeah.
Like ketchup on your eggs. They said on eggs.
You'd have used this like ketchup. You see, it would have been on everything, from your eggs.
I don't put ketchup on my eggs, but
I'm not
for
happy.
science sake, I'll do it.
How bad is it?
I hate it. Okay, we're going.
That's a combination. Nope, not for me. Mm-mm. Ugh.
This is stupid.
You know we're gonna hate it.
This is a terrible, terrible idea.
It's for the sake of science. I can't. It's so gross smelling. I can't. I'm scared to do it. I'm scared I'm gonna vomit. Nope. No part of this is working for me. No.
The egg was your idea.
My eyes are like watering. It was so bad.
You can tap out if you need to.
I'm here. It's for science. It's important work we're doing.
Okay. I can handle that.
Okay.
This? Oh, I didn't
There's
work out.
nothing it was okay on.
I don't know what you would do with this. No, because you know what else takes the same amount of time? Mushroom ketchup. And mushroom ketchup's actually good. This is disgusting.
No, it's nothing. It's nothing like mushroom ketchup. It's mean, evil cousin of mushroom ketchup.
This is just jelly.
It's the ketchup that goes to jail.
And this is just salt.
It's the tattoos.
You're dumb.
I'm not mad at all about this day. We did this so that you don't have to, our dear Townsend friends, who may want to venture into the worlds of ketchups. The business! Follow us! Subscribe if you like this video, a thumbs up. Tell us how badly we just made these things. I'm sure we did many things wrong.
Winchester.
And as always, my name is Tara.
I'm still Natalie.
And this was Natalie and Tara Try Stuff.
Oh, Fear Factor episode.
Oh my god, that was
Does
so
it
bad.
ketchup?
No, it does not ketchup.